Hello and welcome to my channel. Barbie's back. Right, I saw this video of this girl on Facebook where she gave herself kind of a DIY haircut, except it wasn't quite the haircut you'd expect. Let's backtrack a bit. A few weeks ago, I gave myself a DIY at-home haircut using Brad Mondo's video. It was okay. It wasn't like a wow, incredible haircut, but it did the job and it shortened my hair. That kind of a hair hack or hair cutting hack is only good for a hair probably longer than here. For anything shorter, it's kind of hard to get, especially like a blunt cut. You're not exactly gonna do that with that. A lot of you guys commented on what haircut to do on the off chance that your hair is a bit shorter. And at the time, I didn't know what to tell you because I didn't personally cut my hair too short ever in my life. It's not something that I ever felt confident in. However, let's go back to the present. I saw this girl on Facebook giving herself a really stunning blunt bob haircut using an electric razor. That's what these are called, right? Electric razor, electric shaver. She used one of these and with very, very careful maneuvering and mirroring and everything, she basically started cutting her hair like this. I was mind blown. It was such an incredible wow video for me because I've never seen something like that in my life before. Regardless, cutting your hair by yourself, on yourself, in a really straight manner is tough. So I'm gonna try it today. I am gonna be trying it on this wig. This is actually a wig by Mora Mode. It's phenomenal, it's fantastic. Obviously it's really human hair. And today I'm gonna be attempting to give myself kind of a super slick, straight, blonde villain haircut by myself, on myself, using one of these and seeing whether I can do it as a semi-amateur hair cutter, in which case maybe you guys can. This isn't even mine, this is my boyfriend's, right? All the barbers here are closed, so he had to go and buy himself a shaver, so I borrowed it. So this is my wig. I like it, it's okay, but if you guys know me, you know that blonde hair to me personally is just a bit boring. Sorry, not sorry. So I'm gonna try give it like a sharper, edgier look to like vamp it up and whatnot. So the very first thing that I know with certainty that you're gonna have to do is you're going to have super straight, dry hair. This thing is gonna just straight up cut whatever the freaking thing it comes across. So you're gonna need to see exactly where it's cutting, and when you take it away, whatever you have is whatever you're gonna be left with. If you're gonna leave it like naturally wavy, curly, whatever you might think you're cutting a straight line, then you go and straighten it and doesn't. And the reason for it being dry is these things cut a lot better on dry hair. I know some of them do equally well on wet hair, but again, you'd see a lot better where you're cutting on dry hair. Let's do a quick little before and after, because on the off chance that I do ruin it, I'll have to cry myself to sleep, because I can see what it looked like before and the fact that I accidentally ruined it. It's cute, it's fun, it's playful, but it's also slightly boring. One of the things that is like essential, kind of a good mirror system, because obviously you're gonna kind of be looking back at what you're doing. The only mirror that was like somewhat suitable is my bathroom mirror. But anyways, let's try it. I know it's gonna block half my lighting. This thing is heavy. Please do not slip and slide. So I've got one of these. You need to have it completely butt naked, nude, whatever, without any guards. It's not too loud. Let's put on an apron. Not an apron. What is this? A cape. For something like this, it might actually be easier without a cape because we'll probably be cutting straight up to our necks. Is that even safe? Taking off our fuzzy slippers because they attract hair like me to a piece of cake. I currently have my hair parted exactly where I want it, so I do want a nice little side part moment. If you want a perfectly symmetrical haircut, I'm scared. When it cuts, problem is, it's not exactly the cleanest cut, I'll be honest. I am now going to try and give myself kind of a guideline at the front, which I'm gonna then work with until I reach the back. Did I amp it up even more? We're always gonna start longer than we think we need. It just makes sense. It's not like great, but I don't think it's too terrible. Okay, so I guess now I'm just gonna continue kind of going all around it, and then again on this side, and then flip it all back and try to make the back look nice. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Interesting, interesting. Yeah. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, little psycho. Do you think this is what Ava Max led her to like have her iconic hairstyle? She was just like playing around with this, and then she got halfway, she got bored, and she's like, you know what? Oh, I'm living for this. I am living. Come on, Stella, you can do it. I can't see this. Oh my god. I can't see. Okay. This procedure makes me feel like I'm having a midlife crisis at 21. Just seems like so like chaotic. But oh, holy wow. This looks so straight. Like I'm genuinely impressed. That is all I'm gonna do on this side because I'm gonna go crazy otherwise. Okay. This is fun. I think it's a bit longer, which is fine because then you just, you know, cut it a bit shorter later. How are we looking? How are we looking? We're looking a bit weird, that's how. There, haircut is ready. I never thought there would be a day in my life where I have a mullet. Okay, so now I think it's time that we... She did it so elegantly. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, I'll be honest. Oh, I'm so terrified. Okay, let's just go for it. Dude! That looks good to me. I did a thing, guys. Slightly a bad thing. How about... Nope, that's not gonna work. Make it a tiny hint bit easier, wherein I cut off most of the length because we don't need it. All the length is gone. This is the final haircut. Wow, where is it? Wow, that is beautiful. Here it looks like I messed up big time. If I wasn't so concerned with how it was going to look in the end, this is actually a pretty fun process. It's like I'm carving into my own hair. Hey, that looks pretty nice. My entire arm is vibrating so hard. My hands are tired. The front looks really cute, but because I messed up the back, I'm probably gonna have to redo the front, which is always a terrible idea. So not good. Let's try a different approach. I'm not gonna fuss too much about it because A, it's a wig, so it's really thick, and if you move your head, it's always going to change lengths and whatever. And B, I'm cutting it on myself. I'm never gonna get it perfect. If I'm gonna fuss about it, it's just gonna go shorter until I've got a pixie cut. I think We're finally getting somewhere. Okay, so the back ironically looks quite good, except I think that I still have that nasty freaking cut. Oh, we cut it! Oh, that's amazing! Let's cut the rest of my hair. This is like the best part because you can see where the long hair is, and then you can see your guide underneath, and it's pretty easy to just align the two. And I think my hair is still a bit long in the back. That is where I'm stopping. Wow, what do we have here? I did not think, well, I was hoping. I was really hoping, but I did not think I'd actually manage it. I think this is actually a pretty straight haircut. Like, I'm feeling it. I think I saw it in the mirror. I do not want to see it up close on the off chance that it's not straight because I'm done with this. This is such a tiring haircut, but I think it looks super straight. I think it's super even. I'm going to very quickly straighten the ends just so that they're not so blunt and not so sharp, so that they've got a bit more softer feely wheelies, and then I'm gonna see if I managed it and if we can actually cut a DIY super blunt haircut on ourselves. Just kidding, this necklace really does not go with this look. Why pay $120 when you can do it yourself, honey? Just kidding, please respect your hairstylist, especially now. But if you guys are wondering whether you can or cannot do a very sharp, blunt bob haircut on yourself, by yourself, on your own hair, the answer is yes, you can. All you need is your boyfriend's electric shaver, 2 mirrors, and a lot of patience. First of all, I do think this length is so much better than before. I think short hair is just, oh, it's refreshing, it's fun, it's, you know, it's light on your body. It's not going to like bother you, especially in the summer, in the heat, whatever. I like it, I respect it. Hello Barbie, my old friend. Cool, so I'm going to be linking all of the products that I used today down in the description box below. Wig, as I said, was from Mora Mode. It's gorgeous, as you can see. It holds the style, the shape, whatever, really well. But yeah, other than that, I am ready to party. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.